welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought I'd show you guys how I created this makeup look right here. It just screams fall vibes. Loving this orange tone, red tone eyeshadow look that I played with today, and I'm excited about like the bolder color lips, like the lines, the burgundies. I'm not wearing it today, but I'll probably do another makeup look with that, more of like a vampy look. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit my subscribe button down below. Go ahead and hit that notification bell, and if you guys are ready to see how I got this fall pumpkin season makeup look, then without further ado, go ahead and keep watching. Hey you guys, so let's go ahead and get started with this look. I already did my brows. I'm about to put on my I'm about to do my foundation, but I'm just wetting a new beauty sponge. This one is from Morphe, this red one right here, and I'm just going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. This one right here. How you guys been doing? It's already Labor Day weekend. Can't believe it. And September is already here. I gotta wish you guys a happy September. I'm just gonna pounce this in. I have a big zit on my nose, so I need something to cover that redness. Just trying to even the skin tone, you know? Whatever is left over on my sponge, I'm gonna lightly prime the eyes while I'm at it. Okay, so foundation is on. While that sits, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and lightly set my eyes with some translucent powder. I'm going to be working with two Morphe palettes. I've had these for a good while. Palettes I'm going to use today are both from Morphe. It's the Morphe 350M matte shades and then the 350 shimmer shades. So I'm going to use both of these guys in today's video. So I'm going to go ahead and open up with the matte shades. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. I'm gonna work on my crease, so I'm gonna use, let's see, what do I want to use? This one and then this one right here. So they're more of an orangey tone eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna work that in on my crease. Just using windshield wiper motions and circular motions to blend this into my crease and diffuse the edges as well. I'm just gonna wing it out just a little bit because you know I love me a cat eye lifted effect. So such a pretty color. It's a nice fall orange color. So after those two colors are nice and blended on the crease, I'm just gonna go ahead and take another blending brush. It's a bit smaller because I want to focus it underneath the crease color. I'm going to take this red colors, where is it? This one right here and a little bit of that one. I'm just gonna focus it on the outer V of my eye and just blend it into the crease. So I kind of want a gradient effect, gradient transition leading up to the crease shade. And I'm not taking that red all the way inside, I'm kind of stopping halfway. You see how I put that red underneath that orange shade right there? You can tell. So I'm just gonna make sure to keep it underneath that orange because I still want the orange crease shade to pop out behind it. Okay. I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer and just carve out my lid space, so when I put my lid shadow on, it'll be a bit more pigmented. So I'm concealer you want, or you can use an eyeshadow base to do this. Another flat shader brush, and I'm gonna go into my other palette, the shimmer palette, and then go ahead and go with this gold right here. Like, look how pretty that gold is. It's super pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a fluffy brush, and then I'm just gonna blend all of these eyeshadows together so that there is no sharp edges. So everything is diffused into each other. I'm gonna go ahead and take the red shadows again because I lost some of that while blending, so I'm just gonna go ahead and reapply it. I'm gonna blend a little bit of that red into that gold, so because I want it to fuse together. Okay, so you're gonna have something look like this. Oh, my foot is going to sleep. I'm gonna take a hint of a dark brown just to intensify my outer corner just a little bit. So there's quite a few dark browns in this palette, so I'm just gonna choose this one. Take any dark brown shadow, and then I'm just gonna focus it only in the outer corner of my eye, just to give it just a hint of dimension. Paraffine Botanicals. I believe I got this in an Ipsy glam bag a long time ago. I think that is close to even as I can to get my eyeliner all good. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. Rive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. I got it as a sample too. Watching a Kathleen Lights video last night. She was reviewing Rare Beauty's cosmetic line and the new Selena Gomez beauty line. Have y'all watched reviews about it? What do y'all think about it? Did you guys get anything? I'm thinking of getting the eyeliner because I need a new one, and then like her liquid blushes. So, but, and it's not really like that expensive, to be honest. It's a decent price. And I like how that her proceeds go to gonna go back to help with mental illness and things like that. So I think that's really good that she's doing that. If you guys have purchased something from Rare Beauty, let me know in the comments below. I want to see if you guys are interested in her line or not interested. And if you did get something, what did you get? Let me know. Because I might try a couple of things and see how I like it. Pop on some lashes really quick and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, lashes are on. The lashes that I used today are from House of Lashes, the Iconic Lights. They're just really nice and wispy. So those are definitely my go-to lashes that I really enjoy. So eyes are done for now. I'm gonna go ahead and start on finishing up the rest of my face. I'm gonna go and use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in medium warm, this one right here. gonna put a little bit. Take my beauty sponge again, and I'm just gonna pounce this out. I'm gonna re-spritz my beauty sponge just a little bit. Alright, concealer is on. I'm going to take my translucent powder, and I'm just gonna lightly set my face using my good old trusty handy dandy Laura Mercier translucent powder. It's very light powder. You don't need a lot to set the face. Bronzer, I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer. I'm not really contouring with this. It's more just bronzing, bringing color back to the face. I cannot get over the smell of this bronzer. If you love coconuts, this bronzer will steal you away to paradise. I'm gonna actually go back into the Morphe palette, the shimmer palette. I'm gonna take that gold, this one, this gold, to lightly dab into that so it can tie in with my lid color as well. So I'm just take a little bit of that and just go on the high points of my cheeks very lightly, a little bit on my brow, on top of my brow bone, right there. A little bit on the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose. And then for blush, I'm gonna take my Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour brush in Feisty. This is one of my favorite nude blushes. This one right here. I'm gonna put that on the apples of my cheeks. I'm gonna make sure that this blush blends in with my highlight and my bronzer. And all the brushes that I'm using today and all the products, I'll make sure to leave it in the link in my bio, in my description box actually. This is such a pretty fall look. If you want to just glam yourself up one day, or if you're going to go on a date, or a family gathering, or you know, whatever. I think this is just a really pretty fall look. Just making sure everything is seamlessly blended into the skin. Go back and work on my lower lash line. So all I'm gonna do is mimic the colors that I did on my top lid down to my bottom. So like the oranges and the reds, and then this light hint of that dark brown. That's what I'm gonna do for the lower lash line. And set my brows. I'm gonna use the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. This one. It's a clear gel, but a little bit of this goes a long way because it is glue for the brows. So I'm just gonna fluff it up just a little bit. Like so. LA Girl Ultimate Stay Liner and Keep It Spicy. This girl right here. I'm just gonna line my lips with this. Oh my god, I put too much pressure. Ugh. Well, I love this lip liner. It's very inexpensive. You can get it at Ulta, Target, Walmart, very affordable. I was thinking of doing a affordable makeup look, affordable glam look. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys would like that too. This is a lipstick by Rimmel, It's the shade number 47. I don't think they have it anymore, but it's really like a reddish brown lipstick. So any red brown lipstick that you have will do just fine. So you can definitely leave the look just like this. So I'm using, it's by Bare Minerals. It's their Rose Quartz lip gloss. I'm just gonna apply this just a little bit because I want it to be a bit more juicy because my face is matte. I'm just applying it on the center of my lips to make it a bit more plump. In this gloss, I know it's hard to tell, but there's like gold, gold glitters in here, so I feel like it matches really nicely with the gold eyeshadow and the highlight. It just makes this whole look all unison, all together. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. I completely forgot to show you guys my inner corner highlight. So I'm just going to take the same gold that I used for my face highlight and my lid shade. I'm just going to pop that into my inner corner. All right, there it is. All right, you guys, this is my finished makeup look right here. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I enjoy making fall videos. And if you guys want to see any more fall videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit that notification bell as well. I hope you guys stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.